All right, this is Advent of Code, day 4 in 3, 2, 1, go. Day 4. Day 4, camp cleanup. Space needs to be cleared before the last supplies can be unloaded from the ships, and so several elves have been assigned the job of cleaning up sections of the camp. Every section has a unique ID number, and each elf is assigned a range of section IDs. However, as some of the elves compare their section assignments with each other, they notice that many of these assignments overlap. To try to quickly find overlaps and reduce duplicated effort, the elves pair up and make a big list of the section assignments for each pair, your puzzle input. For example, consider the following list of section assignment pairs: 2 through 4, 6 through 8. First elf was assigned sections 2 through 4. Second elf was assigned sections 6 through 8. Got it. This example list uses single-digit section IDs to make it easier to draw. Your actual list may contain larger numbers. They look like this. Some of the pairs have noticed that one of their assignments fully contains the other. For example, 2 through 8 fully contains 3 through 7. There are 2 such pairs. How many assignment pairs does one range fully contain the other? All right. Parse input equals input list.map input f fun s, and then what we're going to do is, let's see how to use split. L split to xn. All right, so first let first second equals string dot L split to xn s in let s1 e1 equal s1 e1 equal string dot L split to xn first and second, and then we're going to return int dot of string s1 e1 e2, and then does that work? Equals list dot what does parse return? Perfect. That's exactly what I hoped it would return. List dot map parse input f fun s. I don't have a good way to just print stuff out in OCaml, and I need to figure that out. Let fully overlaps s2 e2 equals So this is S1 is less than equal S2 and E2 is less than equal S2 E1, or other way around, S2 is less than equal S1 and E1 is less than equal E2. Count fully overlaps. Let num overlaps equals in print part 1 num overlaps. On December 4th dot input. All right, so this is on comma on what? Oh no. Oh, I have to split lines. String dot split lines input. There we go. Yo, Arabian Bear, thank you so much. Let's hope this is right. Let's go. All right, pretty good. 7.5 minutes. Seems like there's still quite a bit of duplicate work. Instead, the elves would like to know the number of pairs that overlap at all. Let overlap at all. Let lines equals string. Let ranges equals parse string dot split lines input ranges partial overlaps partial overlaps at all. So it overlaps at all if what's up, fellas? Overlaps at all so if the start let's see, S1 is less than equal to S2 is less than equal to E1, or what's up? I'll get there one day. I once I finish this, I will show you the tab where I'm like trying to solve it. So if the start of the second one is in between the second, or if the end okay. Oh, I need double semicolons. And ranges. There we go. Oh, damn it. Is that gonna work? This number should be higher. Woohoo! Let's go! All right. This problem was pretty straightforward. We're given a list of inputs that represent ranges, and we basically just need to count for part one how many of them are fully contained in one another and how many of them partially overlap. So they fully overlap if yeah, I don't know how to use scanf. I am an OCaml beginner. But that's, maybe I should learn how to use it. All right, so if it fully overlaps, or yeah, so parsing it, we split on the comma. This is what the input looks like. Split on the comma, and then for both the two things, we split on the dash, and then we convert everything to a int. And then they fully overlap if this first case is the second range is fully contained within the first one. So the start of the second is after the start of the first, and the end of the second is before the end of the first, and then reversed. And then for overlapping it all, we basically just check if for each of the two ranges, whether one of the endpoints of the other range is inside. So this is checking if the start of range 2 is inside range 1, checking if the end of range 2 is inside of range 1, and then vice versa here. And then I just have to parse the lines, and then OCaml has list.count, and then I print it out. And I just pass a different function, a different predicate function to list.count for the two parts. All right. Let's see how, well, yeah. All right, so that's day 4.